What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the print shop. We are almost done with this order. If you see, there is boxes and boxes everywhere. There's more boxes over there. So all the shirts are done, which is what was taking the longest. We're gonna start the sweaters right now. I have to burn the front because I haven't done that, so I'm gonna burn the front right now. But we're gonna get started with the backs, so let's get it. So this was the first film. It didn't work because this part right here, which is tools and supply, it's too small. So I had to re-burn the screen and redo the film as well, just to make it a little bit wider. So we're gonna use this one. Let's get it. Let's print everything. Alright, so this is it for today. I am done. I did 5 boxes, so all of those boxes were done. And then I still have 5 more to go for tomorrow. So we'll do that tomorrow. That's it for me today. We'll see you on the next one.